Stop scrolling. This tiny device can change the way you sleep tonight. Meet the Everlasting Comfort 2.5L Humidifier. Over 2,000 sold this month. Up to 24 hours of cool mist. Buy dry skin, buy sore throat. Custom mist levels and energy-efficient timers for 2, 4, or 8 hours. Whisper quiet with a soft nightlight. Perfect for bedrooms and nurseries. Add a few drops of essential oils for relaxation and better sleep. Auto shutoff and dry burn protection. Easy top fill. No mess, no stress. Here's the hack. Buy 2 or more and save 5% right now. Don't miss out. Link in description. Subscribe and follow for more Amazon money-saving finds.